restore your confidence. I'm going to share with you the 3 things you should stop to do and the 3 things you should start to do that will take you from feeling stuck, drained, and unsure of yourself to feeling strong, energized, and like yourself again. When people see me training or after my stage performances, they always ask, "What do you do?" But I always share with them, it's not only what I do, it's also what I don't do. Let's start with the 3 things I had to stop doing to get my confidence back. These things were draining me, and maybe they are doing the same with you. Number 1, stop comparing yourself to who you were at 25. I used to think, oh, but I used to recover faster, I used to train harder, I used to feel better. But listen, you're not 25 anymore. You are better in other ways now. Start focusing on what you can control. Your energy is different, but it's not gone. It just needs to be awakened in a new way. Number 2, stop pushing through stress without resetting. Stress is like noise. If you never pause to reset your system, that noise turns into burnout, brain fog, even shame. I used to ignore the signs. Now I stop, I breathe, I use rhythm and sounds to clear the mental pressure. You've got to learn how to press pause or you will never feel grounded again. Number 3, stop numbing with distractions. Endless scrolling, social media, late night food, it's easy to check out, but that kills your presence. What you really need is something that connects you, not distracts you. Now here are the 3 things I started doing that actually work. Number 1, start using rhythm to reset your state. Forget overthinking. Rhythm is the fastest way to shift your mind and body. When you drum, tap, or even just breathe with rhythm, your brain gets out of panic mode and into power mode. That's what I teach because it works. Number 2, start focusing on your energy, not your age. Confidence doesn't come from being young. It comes from knowing how to manage your energy, how to activate it, move it, and protect it. When I stopped focusing on how old I am and start focusing on how I feel, everything shifts. And you can do the same. Number 3, start restoring your energy through powerful relaxation. You don't need more hustle, you need recovery, the kind that actually works. Healing sound instruments like the handpan, singing bowls, or frame drums can help your body drop into deep calm. And from that stillness, energy comes back. Use sound not only to relax, but to recharge. By the way, if you want personal support to boost your energy, reduce stress, and rebuild confidence using rhythm and healing sounds, I offer one-on-one coaching. Just send me a message. You will find my email in the description below. Your energy is not gone. It's just covered up by noise, stress, and habits that don't serve you anymore. If you are ready to feel strong, sharp, and grounded again, start with rhythm 5 minutes a day. And if you need help, this is exactly what this channel here for. Check out the next video right here to boost your energy naturally with rhythm. Thanks for watching and keep showing up for yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.